To celebrate Black Friday, we put together our best ever video marketing mega bundle. This is your one and only chance to grab all our popular software and video marketing resources in one amazing pack. Here's what you get. First, we've slashed the price of Content Samurai by 40% for life. This means instead of paying the regular price of $47 per month, right now, you can lock in premium access to Content Samurai for just $29 a month. This means you save $216 every year. And remember, you also get unlimited access to over 790,000 professional video clips from Storyblocks.com right within the app for free. Access to this Storyblocks library normally costs $468 per year, but it's yours for free. Plus, you'll get free unlimited access to over 125,000 Storyblocks music tracks, which would normally cost you an additional $180 per year. And as a part of this Black Friday mega bundle, when you grab Content Samurai, you'll also receive a free lifetime subscription to our popular copywriting software Vidsy. This usually costs $49 a month, which means you save $588 every year. Plus, act now and you'll also get a free copy of our famous keyword research tool, Market Samurai. Over the last 10 years, Market Samurai has been used by over 1 million people to explore keywords, uncover niches, and launch digital empires. Market Samurai delivers an extra $149 of value to this amazing bundle. But we're not stopping there. You see, you'll also receive lifetime access to Question Samurai, which allows you to look into your customer's mind and discover exactly what they're searching for. Question Samurai is valued at $49. Next, you'll receive our Video Traffic Blueprint Pack, which contains 5 fill-in-the-blank templates for creating traffic-pumping content videos. And to help you with Facebook ads, we also want you to have our 5-minute Facebook ad formula, which reveals the 3 secrets for creating high-converting video ads. And to help you grow your audience on YouTube, you'll be able to download our YouTube SEO cheat sheet, which is now being used by over 50,000 business owners around the world. Plus, if you're a marketing consultant or digital agency, we're also including our 21 ways to find clients cheat sheet, which reveals exactly how to find your ideal customers and grow your online business. Altogether, this incredible video marketing mega bundle saves you a whopping $1,846. And all you pay today is just $29. But this extraordinary Black Friday offer is only available until midnight this Friday PST, so you need to act now or you will miss out. Click the button below this video now to grab this deal while it's still available. If you're not familiar with Content Samurai, or it's been a while since you last checked out the app, let me give you a quick rundown. Content Samurai is the only video creation platform available today that allows you to create viral videos for social media, content videos for YouTube, sales videos to convert visitors into buyers, and videos for your online courses. Let me show you just how easy this is. For example, let's convert this blog post into a video. All you have to do is choose a template, drop in your script, spend a few minutes tweaking your automatically generated scenes, then add a voice track. For this example, I'll upload a pre-recorded voice track, select a music track, add a watermark, and you're done. In less time than it takes to boil a kettle, you can now transform a blog post like this into a video like this.
With summer break just around the corner, here's our 5 top tips for traveling on a budget. Tip number 1. Book flights online using a VPN. Prices often vary depending on where you are booking from. You can use a simple VPN to make it look like you're booking from a different country and save a bundle on flights. Tip number 2.
As you can see, Content Samurai uses artificial intelligence to eliminate all the annoying and frustrating tasks normally associated with creating videos. With automatic text splitting, auto layouts, auto bolding, automatic video clip selection, auto animation, automatic text to speech, auto transitions, and automatic music selection, Content Samurai transforms video creation into a genuinely fun and enjoyable process. Now you might be wondering, do these videos actually work? Well, check this out. Here's a Content Samurai video about unblocking your sink that has had over 3.6 million views. This video about losing weight naturally has had over 11 million views. And this video about garlic has had an incredible 27 million views. Just imagine what having a worldwide audience of millions would mean for you and your business. You see, video now generates over 80% of all web traffic. This means that if you want to reach your customers online, you now have to create videos. The big problem is traditional video creation is complicated, time-consuming, and expensive. But as you've just seen, Content Samurai uses the power of artificial intelligence to allow you to create stunning videos in minutes rather than days, even if you have zero experience and have never created a video before. And right now, you can get full access to Content Samurai for a massive 40% off. Plus, you get free unlimited access to over 790,000 video clips from Storyblocks.com and over 125,000 music tracks. And don't forget the incredible bonuses that come with this special Black Friday mega bundle. You get our Vidsy copywriting software that helps you write high-converting sales messages, Market Samurai for effortless keyword research, Question Samurai to help you figure out what kind of content to create, our Video Traffic Blueprint Pack to help you create traffic-pumping videos, our 5-minute Facebook ad formula, which reveals the secrets for creating high-converting video ads, plus our YouTube SEO cheat sheet to help you quickly rank your videos in YouTube, and our 21 ways to find clients cheat sheet, which explains how to start a profitable video agency from the comfort of your own home. All up, this extraordinary video marketing mega bundle saves you an incredible $1,846. This is by far the best deal we have ever offered. And this is the first and only time we're making all our software and video marketing resources available in one pack. And all you pay today is just $29. But this exclusive Black Friday mega bundle is only available until midnight this Friday, which is just a few short days away. So to make sure you don't miss out, click the Add to Cart button now.